Hi, my name is Tammy. I teach at an elementary school in Novi, Michigan. And today we had Mr. Peace come and visit us. And I thought that we had a great time. All of the kids had a great time. I noticed that kids as young as first graders were very engaged. I could tell by the look on their faces. And kids up to fifth grade, we're a K through 5 school, even fifth graders were impacted by Mr. Peace's presentation today. I could tell by the look on their face that they were moved and enjoyed their time with Mr. Peace. And I know that the kids will use these tools that Mr. Peace gave them today to use those tools on the playground, in the classroom, at home, on the football field, in the gym, and at church. I know that from Mr. Peace's presentation today that it was a good lesson for kids on diversity and showing peace among others. And I know that I would recommend that Mr. Peace come and visit your school so he can teach those kids those things and have those tools, to give them those tools for their toolbox.